Students, today we are going to learn poetic device figures of speech. In Just like we have ornaments, just we use ornaments. In the same way, language is also ornamented, means decorated by ornament, and that decoration or ornament of language is figures of speech. Figures of speech add impressiveness to the language. First figure of speech is simile. In simile, there will be direct comparison between two objects, and there will be one common quality between them. As words such as, like, as, so as, such words will show the direct comparison between the two objects. Example of simile is Raj is like a lion in fight. From like you can identify that it is a example of simile. Question will be identify and explain the figure of speech in the given line and give another example from the given lines. Simile, you have to write down, you have to give explanation. You have to write down it is simile. Then after you have to write down direct comparison between Raj and a lion, and common quality between them is bravery. Second figure of speech is metaphor. There will not be words like as, such, like, as, so as, such as, and because of that it does not show that it is a direct comparison. It is there will be indirect comparison between two objects, and there will be common quality between them. Raj is a lion in fight, whereas in simile we said that Raj is like a lion in fight, whereas in metaphor we are going to say that Raj is lion in fight. You have to write down it is metaphor, and you have to give explanation. Indirect comparison between Raj and lion, and common quality between them is bravery. Alliteration is third figure of speech. In alliteration, what happens? Repetition of consonant sounds again and again in the beginning of the words will be given. If I give the example of alliteration, you will come to know that what it is. She sails on the bank of the sea. In this line, if you see, there is a repetition of consonant sounds again and again in the beginning of the words, and that word is yes, sir, the sound of sir. You have to write down it is alliteration. Repetition of words for effects are given. You have to write down the sound of sir is repeated for pleasant effect in the same line. Then after you have a repetition, figure of speech, repetition, as its name denotes, it is repetition of words for effect. Alone on the wide sea. You have to write down it is repetition. The word alone is repeated for pleasant effect. Then after we have another figure of speech here, antithesis. Anti means opposite and thesis means idea. Opposite words will be used to show the paradox, or opposite words will be given to show the opposition, you can call it. Opposite words will be used in the same line. Close the open door. This is figure of speech. Antithesis. Opposite words close and open are used in the same line will be your explanation. Now figure of speech personification is given here. In personification that is shown that inanimate objects are having or doing some activities just like living things. let us see the example of personification. Death is shown. Death lays his icy hands on the man. You all know that death does not have hand, but even then it is described that it lays his icy hands on the man. Means what happened? Death is shown as having hands, or death is personified will be your explanation. Then after we have transferred epithet. Epithet means adjective. What happens in this figure of speech? The place of adjective will be changed from one noun to another. One noun to other. Means place of adjective is changed. It is shown in this figure of speech. The farmer strolled his weary way. The farmer strolled his weary way. The epithet you have to write down. You always see that weary means tired, and way will not be tired. Even then it is placed before the way, and it is said that the way is weary or tired. The farmer is actually tired, and weary should have put before the farmer, but it is put before the way. You have to give the explanation. The epithet means adjective. Weary is transferred from the farmer to the way. In this way we have seen some figures of speech here. I think that you must have understood all of this. Let's stop here now.